Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back and thanks for tuning in again. I am down right by the ballast grounds and we're going to fly the Hubsan Mini 1-inch today. Say hello, Laura.
I did say hi.
Yeah, you
Hi.
waved, you didn't say hi. So a few of you guys wanted her to speak throughout the video because she's been awful quiet
Because I'm a very
for the
quiet person.
longest time. So
I'm a quiet person.
I'm just about ready to fly, guys. I'm just getting a screen recording going now. Oops, open the wrong thing. There we go. Now, start. And back to the Hubsan 3.0 app. Enter device. Now, you don't get an FPV feed on this until you take off. I know this. Okay, we'll wait for the check to come up before we can even take off here. I'm not sure why a lot of the other reviewers haven't reviewed this drone. I haven't seen it anyway, because it's a very good drone. There we go, there's a check. Before we take off, we're going to format this. Yeah, I think I got to format it. I don't think I have any other videos home that I was supposed to take off this drive. I forget where that's at. I think it's in here. There we go. Format the SD. Formatting. Okay, success. Now, we're just going to check our camera settings. I'm going to put that super night on standard. It's on low. It's allowing me to change it. Okay, so contrast is at 40, saturation's at 40, and the sharpness is at 50. We're going to leave it there and see what it's like. So let's get this bird in the air. I've got it right in front of the car. There's our takeoff.
No obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Now we should get an FPV any second. There we go.
Please be mindful of the new return
Put
to
it
home
on
point.
video. And start recording. Okay, it didn't start recording. There we go. Because it was still open, it didn't close it. So right off the bat, guys, I think we're going to lock the exposure value there because it looks good right where it's at. And up and out. Now, it's a pretty calm day here today. There's a little slight wind, but nothing drastic. Maybe like 8 or 10 mile an hour gusts, if that. You can see there's barely any waves there. And they've got the lobster trap Christmas tree set up again. We're just about to view it there now, right where those two cars are pulling in.
That is beautiful when it's light up in the nighttime.
So let's see, do we have a zoom on this? I don't even, yes we do. We have to hold the function button. Oh, there's a function button right here. And zoom in with the scroll wheel. That's as far as we can zoom. And we're in 4K. I guess it would probably go further if we drop the resolution. So I'm going to move in a bit. Let you guys check that Christmas tree out. Made out of lobster traps.
So pretty.
There you have it, guys. Like she said, it does look really nice when it's lit up in the evening. It does have all kinds of lights all around it. Actually, it's lit up now. You just can't tell from the drone's camera view. We'll do a little droney. So we've had a little over 2 weeks of steady rain here, guys, and high winds. Basement almost flooded again yesterday. She caught it just in time and went down, pumped it out.
Yeah, it was funny because I went there in the morning, there was nothing. 3 hours later, the only reason I did check again because the cat got...
Yeah, the cat got downstairs.
So I heard the cat crying. So then I was going to check, but I didn't think it was going to be filled that fast, right? Because it wasn't there in the morning.
Oh, it fills fast.
But it was not in the morning, so I was like, oh, that's weird. But anyway, the cat was down there, and then I the stairs look a little bit wet, and I'm like, uh-oh, better go get them.
It fills fast.
But it was nothing in the morning, so it was so weird.
The signal's gone into yellow. Two bars there back to white. So that's our fish plant there. I'm just cycling around. You can see it still looks, is that fog off in that distance or is that cloud? Not sure. It was foggy here earlier, guys. I was just lucky that it cleared up so I can get out now. And I had to get out because I'm all out of content to put up. That Femi Mini video I put up the other day, that was my last one. I'm going into the orange here. Because I'm over this way. There, turn the transmitter that direction and it was full white again. Maybe we'll get straight ahead of me here and just head straight out. There we go. We'll head straight out a little bit since it's not high winds today. This is a very good drone, guys. The camera is awesome on this thing. Absolutely awesome camera. We are 170 meters out and 61 meters up. We're actually going to climb. Get it up to the 400-foot mark. Close to it anyway. And that's 112 meters. And we're 360 out. Signal strength is in the yellow. I'm just going to adjust these. There we go. That's down the orange again. What's going on? Full white. A little bit of flashing and down to the orange again. Ooh, into the red as I'm turning. Let's see, I'm not that far away. 527 meters. It's about as far as I want to go anyway. This drone is over the 249 grams with that plastic piece on the bottom of it. That's coming back. 424, 415. Decent drone though, guys. And my signal is in the orange. 2 bars of orange, and it just flashed red once or twice there. I don't know why it's getting a terrible signal. There, full white again. Once I get back to 200 meters or so, I got full bars again. But it was getting low out there out at the 520 meter mark. It's just a little too cold to stand outside and do this today, guys. You can see all the water in the parking lot here. There's just enough of an entrance for me to get in here and pull over the side. There we go. A ton of water. You wouldn't believe how much water was on our highway going to Sydney yesterday. Absolute horrible amount of water. There were pictures on Facebook of a minivan stopped on the side, well, pretty much in the middle of the highway. was in one of the passing lane. And the water was about halfway up his wheels. Back away. So there's lots of trailers and whatnot over at Marine Atlantic.
High winds. Please fly with caution.
High wind warning. So the winds are starting to pick up. So I guess, yeah, we're going to end it anyway, guys. I'm now down to 52% battery. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's flight. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like and a comment. Make sure those notifications are on so you don't miss these videos. And until the next one,
Catch you later.
peace, guys.